Welcome. I'm going to show you how I downloaded the Eclipse file. So I'm just typing now Eclipse and then Java, then download, click Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now you can just choose Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm using a MacBook, so that's why I'm gonna take x86 64, but you can use x86-64 as well. I feel I would like to actually use this thing, Java and Web Developer. So I'm gonna click that, download, hit download, and now it's downloading over here. Let's wait for that. Okay, so it's taking a while. Oops, now it's downloaded. Now let me click that part over there. Okay, so that's what I did. I actually clicked Yep, actually clicked it, and then it downloaded, installed it, and then it's asking me for a workspace, so I just actually named it Eclipse-workspace, and then now it's opening. So this is how it started on my screen, and then I would probably click this part over here, create a new Java project, possibly put the project name tutorial. Yep, so this is it. Once you have that, you should be okay, and you can start with the next lesson, which is how to type in something in there. Hello guys, now I'd like to actually show how to do your Java project. Congratulations to Alice Lane, first one who finished the project, and also congratulations to Yushi, the second. And I'm sure many of you would also be able to finish it as soon as you can. I know you're all trying your best. So, but this is how it looks like. So right now what I'm doing is I already downloaded the Eclipse IDE, and now let's wait for it to open, workspace, and then launch. So this is how it looks like. But first, let's click a new Java project. Then type a name. Usually just put tutorial. Finish. And then another module will spring up, and then so this one you have to change it to lower caps, and then click enter, create. So file, new, package. So make sure that it's actually in your tutorial too. You highlight that first before you click on file, package. The reason for that is package is a sub function of your program. Then after that you do the class, then name it as main, then finish. So that's that. Now an issue with this is that we made a mistake there, so you have to do it again and create a new Java project, again. Then type tutorial 3, finish, create, file, new, package. Same name is okay, finish. So now it's there, package info.java, file again, new, then class, main, and then click this public static void main string, then finish. So that's actually the bulk of your work. Now what you wanted to do is just type in this string. Let's take a look at what Adeslane completed. That system.out.printed.in. So you have to put that in. System, so copy that system.out.print.in. Copy that thing over there. System.out.print. Now I'm using a MacBook, so it depends on what you're using. If you're using Windows, it might have a different language. So in here the language is in. But if you take a look at this box, it's red, which means that there's an error somewhere there. Oops, it turned world. So I'd like hello world to be printed, but it's not printing right now. I'm not so sure why. So it's still red. So there's an issue somewhere here. It has to be blue. So I'm now checking why it's that. Why is that? There's an apostrophe already there. Maybe what if we put some space? Nope. The thing is, you know, your program has to run, and usually the newer Java program, Eclipse programs, allow you to actually check your syntax and see what's wrong with it. So it's not. So I'm changing it to lower caps, but it's still not working. Trying to figure out what's wrong. essentially right now what I'm checking is whether it can actually read my command and we're in the right syntax, we're using the right syntax, and we're using the right modules. It seems correct anyway. I'll just delete all these. And deleting. So the main problem that Yushi and Alice Lane and Juliana experienced was that their modules didn't run. So I'm having the same problem now. A while back I did this and it worked. There must be something wrong with the syntax, or syntax just simply means the phrase or the sentence construction. So if you take a look at our English language, we have our own subject and verb agreement. So in computer we have the same thing. We have a certain structure of the language for your computer to understand that and run it, right? The key aim is that from here, from what we put in here, hello world will actually get typed in here, so it will run, so there shouldn't be any error. So oops, now I figured it out. It's supposed to be system.out.print instead of print in. So it's not print in, but see, when I put print in, it's an error. So when I remove it, it turns blue, and blue is good. Okay, now let's try to run it. Click this button over there, select the resources and press OK, and voila. Okay, hello world is typed in there. So that means that this program actually run and we don't have any issues with our string. Okay, so that is what we call Java. Okay, with Java, it's actually a combination of several things. File. First thing that you need to do is file new and then Java project, and then file. Then after that, file new package. So sub package is a subclass of Java, and then file new class, that's a subclass of package, right? So I hope you understood how it's done. It might take a while for you to really understand how these work, but as you try to put your hands into it and strengthen your hands in making yourself more familiar with the software, it becomes easier. I guarantee you that. So this one actually ran well, because when I click this, hello world appears there. So that is what I want. I want your string of commands return hello world in the console. Okay, because if you put in, for instance, so it's wrong, and when I run it, see, when I run it, see, this is an error because it's written in red and it says unresolved compilation problem. But if I remove that, it becomes blue, and I run it again, hello world appears there, and that is what will tell me that you actually got the lesson correctly. Okay, so EWCA students, thank you very much, and I hope you learned the basic of Java and how to run a program correctly. And I can't wait to see your project. Bye bye.